Hey Capone, you ready to play? Been playing with Capone, and he loves, his favorite thing to do is chase the ball. Good boy. Leave it. You ready? I didn't throw it yet. Come here. Come on. Okay, wait. Good boy. Slobbering like crazy. Leave it. Leave it. Wait. Come back here. Come on. Come here. You ready? Say hi, Capone. It's Capone Cam. Ready? Here you go. Good boy.